guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Helena Fargam and I will show you how to create this beautiful crochet lace in this tutorial. First, we create a slip knot. I know there are different methods how to do it. This is how I do it, and I learned it when I was a kid. I will show once again. Place yarn over your thumb and index fingers on your non-dominated hand. Turn your fingers behind the yarn and connect your fingers into O shape. Now we have created 2 loops. You can pull one loop with the hook, or you can push the loop with your thumb through another loop. Make sure the loop with the shortest tail on the hook. Before you start to chaining up, just a reminder that we never count stitch on the hook. And now chain 25. Yarn back to front through the loop, back to front through the loop, and continue till you have 25. After you have completed your 25 stitches, to begin a new row, you will need to chain 1 stitch and work 1 double crochet UK turns or 1 single crochet US turns into a second stitch from your hook. If you look at the diagram, you can see that you have to work now 3 times double crochet UK turns, so 3 times double crochet US turns into 4th stitch. I will show a few stitches in a slow mode. Yarn over back to front, skip 3 stitches, insert your hook, yarn over back to front, pull once, yarn over back to front, pull through 2 loops, yarn over back to front and pull through another 2 loops, yarn over again into the same stitch, pull once, yarn over again, pull through 2 loops, yarn over back to front, pull through 2 last loops. Now we have to work 1 extra treble crochet UK turns or 1 double crochet US turns. After you complete your 3 crochet stitches, chain 1 and repeat again 3 times treble crochet UK turns or 3 times double crochet US turns into the same stitch. Now we have to skip 3 stitches and work 1 double crochet UK turns or 1 single crochet US turns. Skip 3 and work 3 times treble crochet UK turns or 3 times double crochet US turns into a stitch. Chain 1 and work once again 3 times treble crochet UK turns, so 3 times double crochet US turns into the same stitch. Skip 3 and work 1 double crochet UK turns, so 1 single crochet US turns. Skip 3 and repeat the last set of the pattern. To begin row number 2, chain 7 and work 1 double crochet UK turns or 1 single crochet US turns around 1 chain stitch, chain 3 and work 1 double crochet UK turns or 1 single crochet US turns around the same chain stitch, chain 3 and work 1 double treble crochet UK turns or 1 treble crochet US turns into the stitch, yarn over twice, pull once, pull through 2 loops, yarn over again, pull through another 2 loops, yarn over back to front again and pull through last 2 loops, chain 3 and work 1 double crochet UK turn, so 1 single crochet US turns around 1 chain stitch, chain 3, and work once again 1 double crochet UK turn, so 1 single crochet US turns around the same chain stitch. Chain 3 and work 3 times double treble crochet UK turns or treble crochet US turns into a stitch. Repeat last set and finish with the double treble crochet UK turns, so treble crochet US turns into last stitch of your work. Now we have to chain 3 and work 3 times treble crochet UK turns, so 3 times double crochet US turns into 4th stitch from your hook. Now work 1 double crochet UK turn, so 1 single crochet US turns around 3 chain stitches, and now work 3 times treble crochet UK turn, so 3 times double crochet US turns into stitch. Chain 1 and work 3 times treble crochet UK turn, so 3 times double crochet US turns into the same stitch. Now work 1 double crochet UK turn, so 1 single crochet US turns and around 3 chain stitches. Repeat the pattern to the end of the row. When you come to the end of the row, make sure you finish your work into a 4th chain stitch. You have to have 2 loops on top of the hook and 1 under, and work 4 times treble crochet UK turns or 4 times double crochet US turns into the same stitch. To begin row 4, chain 1 and work 1 double crochet UK turn, so 1 single crochet US turns into 2nd stitch from the hook, chain 3, and work 1 double treble crochet UK turn, so 1 treble crochet US turns into a stitch. Remember, yarn over twice the hook. Now chain 3 and work 1 double crochet UK turn, so 1 single crochet US turns around the 1 chain stitch. Chain 3 and work 1 double crochet UK turn, so 1 single crochet US turns around the same chain stitch. Chain 3 and work 1 double treble crochet UK turn, so 1 treble crochet US turns into a stitch, and repeat the pattern to the end of the row. When you come to the end of the row, make sure you don't place your hook between stitches. You need to insert your hook into a chain stitch. and finish with 1 double crochet UK turn, so 1 single crochet US turns. To begin leg straw, chain 1 and work out 1 double crochet UK turn, so 1 single crochet US turns into second stitch from your hook. And now work 3 times treble crochet UK turn, so 3 times double crochet US turns into a stitch. Chain 1 and work again 3 times treble crochet UK turn, so 3 times double crochet US turns into the same stitch. And now work 1 double crochet UK turn, so 1 single crochet US turns around 3 chain stitches. 3 times treble crochet UK turn, so 3 times double crochet US turns into a stitch. Chain 1 and work 3 times treble crochet UK turns, so 3 times double crochet US turns into the same stitch. Continue with the pattern to the end of the row. When you come to the end of the row, finish with 1 double crochet UK turn, so 1 single crochet US turns into the last stitch of your work. You have just completed row number 5. You can see that row number 5 is similar to row number 1, and row number 2 is similar to row number 6. If you would like to continue work on the pattern, you have to chain 7 and continue with the repeats. And row number 7 will be similar to row number 3. Thank you for watching. I hope you've had great experience. I'm looking forward to working with you on the next project. For those who are new to my channel, if you like to see more videos in the future, please subscribe to be notified when I add a new video. Enjoy your day or evening, and I will see you soon.